Medicines Resale Warehouse. What? Wait, hold on, slow down.
Hey, thanks for coming by.
Yeah, sure. So, what, is it not cooling properly?
No, man. All my stuff is gone and there's like trees and stuff.
What, like mold?
Nah, seriously, there's like a whole nother world in there.
Let me try smoking this pot. Do you know what this means?
I don't know, like a gas leak or something?
You found a door to another world! But not just any world. If I recall the old tales correctly, then this is the country of Narnia.
You just call me a stoner?
A world of such wonders. There's walking trees and talking beasts, fauns and centaurs. There was an evil witch who made it always winter and never Christmas. Never Christmas. But then came 4 children, sons of Adam and daughters of Eve they were called. They defeated the evil witch and ruled for years and years.
Yeah, I had like $70 worth of groceries in there.
But they were not alone. Oh no. They were guided by the great lion himself.
Look, man, I had like $25 worth of chicken breast alone.
Why, my dear fellow, do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Why are you talking like that?
And there, you can sup upon an entire feast with dwarves and dryads, and dance for hours in the moonlit forest, and go on all manner of splendid adventures.
Are you gonna fix this or not? Because I have a pretty strict meal plan that I'm trying to follow.
Never mind that. Leave it all behind, and we can be kings.
What are you doing? Come on, man. For real. I have to be at work in like an hour.
You needn't fret about such trivial things. Time is of no matter here. I mean, live out our youth, and not a moment will have passed upon our return.
Your youth? Are you kidding me?
Are we in North Korea? Yeah. Let's have some jobs.